All right, here's example number 3. We are going to change this just a little bit. Instead of negative 2x minus 2y, we're going to make this negative 2x plus 2y. Okay, and again, it's in standard form, so we need to follow these same steps. So if we have negative 2x, that is your ax term, so we need to subtract negative 2x. And yet again, we have a double negative. When you put those two negatives together, it actually becomes a positive. What you do to one side, you do to the other. Okay, so if I do this, this goes away. I'm going to bring down 2y. I cannot put these two together because they are not like terms. I have 2x plus 4. And I'm going to bring down my sign. And my last step, just like over here, we're going to divide by b. My b value is a 2. B is a coefficient of y, not y. Y is your variable. It has to be the number in front of y, your coefficient. So I'm going to divide by 2. What I do to one side, I have to do to everything on the other side. So divide by 2, divide by 2. 2y divided by 2, the 2's cancel out, I'm left with y. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then I bring down my x, and then 4 divided by 2 is 2, sorry. Okay, and then I'm going to bring down my sign. So here is my inequality in slope-intercept form. Now I can pick out my slope and my y-intercept. So here's my slope. Remember the coefficient of x, and my slope is 1. And then I have to get my y-intercept, which is right here at 2. Now, is it solid or dashed? Well, the sign says less than. So according to this, less than is dashed. And again, my sign is less than, so this time we will be shading below. Okay, B stands for beginning, so begin with 2, y-intercept is at 2, and my slope is 1, so I go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, so on and so forth until the end of time. Okay, it is dashed. I'm paying attention, it's dashed. So we're just going to, every so often, okay, so there's your dashed line. Let's see if I can make the lines a little bit better. There you go. Okay, there's my dashed line, and I'm going to shade below. So again, I'm going to grab my highlighter, I'm going to put it on the line, and I'm going to go down, because it's below. Down, 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 down. All of this area will be solutions. Okay, lastly, circle the points. So if we have 2, 4, goes 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me a second. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the line ends up right here. Now, is that a solution? Well, it's not in the shaded area, but it is on the line. So I have to come back over here to my solutions notes. And it says, all points in the shaded region and points on a solid line. This is not a solid line, it is a dashed line. So because it is not a solid line, this is not a solution. Okay, now we have 0, 0. Yep, that works. I circle it. I have -3, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, that's a solution. And then lastly, we have -1, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh no, it is not in the shaded region, so it's not a solution. Okay, that's example 3. Again, pause it, see if you can do the last problem on your own. All right, here we go. Example 4, last one, almost done. Oh yay, this one is already in slope-intercept form, so there's no conversion that we have to do. We can just pinpoint our slope of 2/3, and we can pinpoint our y-intercept at 1. Okay, my sign says less than or equal to. So, right here, less than or equal to, it's a solid line. And then I also have, right here, less than or equal to is going to be below. So, B stands for beginning, begin at 1. And then my slope is 2/3, rise over run. So, rise 2, and run 1, 2, 3. Rise 2, run 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's some reference points. Solid line, so I can just connect the dots. And lastly, to graph it, I'm going to shade below. So pen on the line, go down, 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 all of this area. Okay, last thing, which one of these are solutions? So I have 2, 4. Go 1, 2, the X direction, 1, 2, 3, oh gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the Y direction. That is not in the shaded area, so it's not a solution. You can cross it out if you want. I have 0, 0. Yep, that's a solution. I have -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's not a solution. And then I have -3, -5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the solution. All right. So that is how you graph linear inequalities.